Hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a really good day out there, and a big message to all my subscribers and all the people that contribute to the comments and stuff. Big thank you. Do appreciate what you do, and I do appreciate your input. Right, so last time we left it, I put the Churchill Crocodile together, and I was going to do some weathering. So got a bit of video stuff, and let's get over to the bench. Right, so basically what we've done with the Crocodile, we've done sort of rust streaks and stuff like that, a few little using oils, and got some more effects there. I want to go back over it because I've done one level and it looks okay, but I want to do a little bit more. So we'll have a look at doing that. The other thing is we've got to add a little bit more terrain here. It's going to be sort of muddy, wet, snowy sort of stuff like that. But like I say, I just want to add a little bit more effects there. And on the vehicle itself, and obviously from here the tires are quite clean, so although they've got some mud effects on there, I want to build up on that and build up on the levels of the sort of weathering and all of that. So we'll get on with that, and I'll come back to you. Right, so the Crocodile in the snow. Yeah, pretty much done. Got all the nice snow effects in, so that you know what I used. I'll put a picture up in a bit of all the bits and pieces that we used, mainly AK stuff, but I'm quite pleased with it. I don't know whether or not it'll pick it all up in here. I think what I'll do is I might lower the camera and see if I can get a shot sort of down here. So hold on. Right, so I've repositioned the camera. Tried it on different tripod, and just to give you a better idea of the I don't know, ground level view of it. I'm actually quite pleased with the way it's come out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this to turn all the way around on the turntable, but I'm quite pleased with the sort of snow effect that I've got. I wanted to sort of get a sort of yellowy tinge to the paint job as well, sort of like that sort of dirty sort of colour, and I'm quite pleased with the way it's come out. And yeah, let me just change the position of the camera again, and we'll have another shot at it. There you go, it's another view, a little bit higher up, to give you a view of the sort of snow effect that I wanted, and the sort of the muddy track of where the tyres and tracks had gone. Just going to try and turn it around again, so it's a little bit muddier on this side, obviously, because this is where the tank tracks have gone and all of that, and I've got some sort of mud effects around the tracks and bits of dirt and debris and stuff. I'm actually quite pleased with it. I'm going to take some still photos and put them at the end, but I'm really quite pleased with the way it's come out. So what I'm going to do is, if I move that over there, and hopefully God I don't knock the back seat down, I'll give you a quick tour of what I used. So the material that I used for the ground was this one, AK's Terrain's Wet Ground in their diorama range, the Terrain's Muddy Ground in their diorama range. Let me give you the number of the wet ground. It's AK 8016, and the muddy ground is AK 8017. I used their snow acrylic, that's AK 8011. Mixed in with that, and on the surface of some of that is the snow sprinkles, AK 8009. And the one that I really actually like, this is really quite a neat stuff. It's snow micro balloons. Sounds weird, doesn't it? But it's AK's 8010, and what effect this has, it sort of, if I bring this back out again, it gives this effect here of like the snow that's just fallen, and on the sort of canvas sort of bedroll thing, tarp stuff there, along there, it's sort of, you know, gives the effect of sort of snow that's just fallen on it. I quite like it. It's quite a neat effect. But anyway, so that's the Churchill Crocodile. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with the outcome. It was the first time I've ever done sort of snow effect like this, so I'm really quite pleased with it. So I'll put some stills up, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. See you later. Bye for now.